Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 7th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked at the end of the video down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, huge push down on the Kiwi dollar last week. I still suspect that there's a good chance that this could go up again. I still think that this right here could potentially be a wave one or possibly a wave A, and that means that this definitely still could be a wave B or possibly a wave two. So I'm still looking for that big reversal to the upside for a big wave C or possibly maybe even a big wave three. I still think that this may have found a bottom and we're just maybe possibly retesting that bottom. So going down to the shorter time frames, if we get a break and hold above this structure right here, that should tell us that this whole trend from here to here is over. If that trend is over, the first thing I would do is start my Fibonacci retracement on that whole move down. Then hopefully I would observe it while looking for longs. After the break of structure, I would only start looking for longs. By the way, as of right now, I would definitely still be looking for shorts because we don't know if it's going to break structure or not. But after the break of structure, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on there and I would observe it to see if it makes another corrective pattern up to a Fibonacci retracement level or whether it makes very impulsive movements to the upside, maintaining up momentum. Hopefully, if it does break structure, which, like I said, is a big if, it doesn't have to break, it could keep going down. But if it does break structure, hopefully you can learn and earn at the same time whether the next move is a correction to this wave down or whether it really is a trend reversal. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.